Gonna go get some treats for everybody. It's a beautiful morning. It rained last night, so everything's a little bit muddy. Good morning. Gotta fill the water up. Morning. You babies want some treats? Good morning, little chick. Good morning, Daisy. Planted some sunflowers and blue pumpkins. And this year, I'm having them covered for a little bit until they get some growth because the chickens ate them all last year. And I want to fence this area off. So we're gonna see how it goes this year.